A larger issue is the parents' feeling of inadequacy, of failure, of being bad parents, of being isolated, frustrated, hopeless, and they're getting all kinds of negative input from family members, friends, teachers, community, coaches, all of those things. And they're not hearing anything positive. They're not believing that they are actually good parents. And what folks out there need to understand is that parents are doing the best that they can with who they are, where they are, and what they know. You are not alone in this journey. Hi, I'm Dr. Teri Rouse. I'm a behavior and early interventionist, an autism specialist, an educational consultant and coach, multiple-time best-selling author, and the author of an upcoming book, Untamed Chaos, A Parent's Guide to Improving Communication, Resolving Conflict, and Restoring Peace in Your Home. And I was so grateful to be able to be a resource for other families, especially because we didn't have that help when we were looking for it so desperately. I cannot wait to celebrate with you the powerful and positive changes that you create, the reconnection with your children, reconnecting with your partner, all the things that you'll be able to do and enjoy, and the peace that you will have in your home.